Hello, children. Today we are going to know what an unseen passage is and try to answer some questions after reading one. Just as the name says, an unseen passage is a passage which we have not seen before. Now let's try reading one unseen passage and answer some questions. Turtles are reptiles. They live in water. Turtles are mostly found in the countries Africa and America. The body of a turtle is inside a really hard shell. If a turtle is scared, it may pull its head, arms, and legs into its shell. Let's understand, turtles are reptiles. This means they are animals with scales on their bodies. Turtles live in water and can be found mostly in Africa and America. Turtles have a really hard shell on their body. This shell protects them. When a turtle gets scared, it can pull its head, arms, and legs inside the shell to stay safe. Turtle shells are lightweight, they are not heavy. They are also flat and smooth to the touch. The smooth shell can help the turtle swim and dive easily in the water. Turtles have feet that are webbed and claws. Their long claws assist them in gripping logs floating in the water. Webbed feet help the turtle swim. Some turtles have flippers to help them swim in the water. Explanation: the shell of a turtle is light and not heavy. It is flat and smooth. This smooth shell helps the turtle swim and dive easily in the water. Turtles have webbed feet and long claws. The webbed feet help them swim better. The long claws help them grip onto logs that are floating in the water. Some turtles even have flippers to help them swim. Turtles are omnivores. This means they eat both plants and meat. Turtles lay eggs on land. The baby turtles will stay in the nest all on their own until they hatch. They hatch in 3 to 4 months. When they do hatch, they find their way out of their nest and to the water. They take care of themselves right away. Turtles can live 20 to 40 years. Explanation: turtles are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and meat. Turtles lay eggs on land. After laying eggs, the mother turtle leaves. The baby turtles stay in the nest all by themselves until they hatch. It takes about 3 to 4 months for the eggs to hatch. When the baby turtles come out, they find their way to the water and start taking care of themselves right away. Turtles can live for a long time, usually between 20 to 40 years. Let's see the questions. What continents are turtles mostly found in? Do you remember if you have heard the answer in the paragraphs? Yes, the answer was in the first paragraph, Africa and America. Second question, what does a turtle do if it is scared? The answer is again in the first paragraph itself. When a turtle gets scared, it can pull its head, arms, and legs inside the shell to stay safe. The last question is, what do turtles do when they hatch? Where do you think is the answer? It is in the third paragraph. When the baby turtles come out, they find their way to the water and start taking care of themselves right away. Unseen passage helps in understanding ideas in their own language, knowing the meanings of different words, figuring things out from the passage. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all, you also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more.